भारतीय प्रमुख बंदरगुड़िक मध्य पारादीप बंदर एहार नंबर 1 कार्गो परिचालना स्थिति बजाय रखिछि एवं 2024-25 आर्थिक वर्ष में 150.41 एमएमटी कार्गो परिवहन पंजीकरण करी स्वतंत्र 150 एमएमटी क्लब रे सामिल होइछि। रप्तानी रे ह्रास, लुहापथर चाहिदा एवं कोकिंग सीओए भली विशाल बजार चैलेंज सत्वे पीपीई भारतर पूर्व उपकूल थिबा प्रमुख एवं अणुमुख्य बंदरगुड़िक समेत समस्त बंदरगुड़िक मध्य कार्गो परिचालना रे नंबर 1 स्थान बजाय रखिछि।
Sara terminals have a very reasonably good growth, 10 to 15% level में grow किया. That shows that Paradip Port, inclusive of all the terminals, has done extremely well last financial year. हमारा further expansion plan आने से already we are about 289 million ton capacity port है, which is the highest among Indian ports. We are implementing a Western Dock project with a 25 million ton capacity. बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है। उसका 5 साल का टाइम होता है, पहले 3.5 years में ही वो प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। इसी हिसाब से स्पीड देखने से वंस दैट इज कंप्लीटेड हम लोग पहले पोर्ट बन जाएगा इंडिया में जो जिसमें 300 मिलियन टन कैपेसिटी क्रॉस कर। So I congratulate all my team. This is the team effort. Basically, in an organization like Port, and everyone makes his contribution. Whether he is a class 4 employee, whether he is a contractual employee, whether he is a HOD, everyone contributes to the system. It is a team effort, and comprising of our entire officers, regular employees, contractual employees, CSF staff. Everybody has contributed for this success. I thank all the exporters and importers. Without that, we are nowhere. And these exporters and importers have kept their faith in the Paradip port system, and they have patronized us. They have given us the cargo, and we also handle very, very efficiently this cargo at a very, very low cost of handling. So I thank more than 90%, 90-95% budget is being spent in Orissa, especially in the fields of skill development, health, education, then what is the other field, and cultural fields, and all these fields we are supporting. And also education, we are giving Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya is being totally run by Paradip Port, and the entire cost of the operations and maintenance is being borne by the Paradip Port. So these are the 5-6 areas we are concentrating in the area, and 95% more than budget is being spent only in the state of Orissa, closer to Paradip.
सर एक विधानसभा में जो विधानसभा चल रहा है, एक जो मिनिस्टर है वो क्या है जो पारादीप पोर्ट में ज़्यादा पॉल्यूटेड है, इसीलिए आप क्या करना है?
देखिए, दिस इज बेसिकली एक बल्क कार्गो हैंडलिंग पोर्ट. इट इज नॉट ए कंटेनर. You can see international ports also have seen the bulk cargo handling areas will remain like this. That's why to reduce pollution we are going for a mechanization in vehicle. Pollution क्यों होता है? मैनुअल हैंडलिंग में होता है. एक बार वेसल आ गया, वेसल से फिर क्रेन से वो कार्गो को बर्थ के ऊपर डाल दिया, फिर अगेन उसको पे लोडर से फिर यू पुट इन ए ट्रक, डंपर जाएगा, फिर स्टोरेज एरिया, फिर अनलोड हो जाएगा, फिर अगेन रेलवे लेकर जाएगा, फिर लोडर. ये मल्टीपल हैंडलिंग. प्रॉफिट हम बहुत कर सकते हैं, बट हम लोग का काम है फर्स्ट इज टू सपोर्ट द इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, टू सपोर्ट द इंडियन इकोनॉमी, टू सपोर्ट द स्टेट इकोनॉमी. हम कॉस्ट बढ़ाने से भी हमारे पास लोग आता है, बट हम लोग हमारा रेट्स को इंडिया में हमारा रेट्स. Our job is not to earn money, important है, but at the same time we have to keep the logistic cost of Indian economy at low. So that's why, and we have not increased our tariff for the last 2 years, and one more year till December we are not increasing. But still, our operating income has gone up substantially, and we are today our operating income is about 2,472 crores, which is the highest in the history of Paradip. Then our net surplus, finally net surplus is important. Net surplus पहले बार हम 1800 करोड़ का क्रॉस कर चुका है. पहले it was also highest. Last year it is somewhere about 1600 crore. It has 1800 crore बढ़ गया. हमारा ऑपरेटिंग रेशियो is the lowest in its history. ऑपरेटिंग रेशियो क्या होता है, कितना रुपया 35%, इसका मतलब हम 100 रुपया कमाने के लिए हम सिर्फ 35 रुपीज खर्च करते। दिस इज द बेस्ट इन द कंट्री। एंड पारादीप पोर्ट में भी लास्ट ईयर हम 36 रुपीज खर्च कर रहे थे, इस साल 35 रुपीज खर्च करने से भी हमको 100 रुपीज प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है, इनकम मिल रहा है। सो दिस इज द बेस्ट इन ऑपरेटिंग रेशियो। अवर कॉस्ट पर टन विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट, कॉस्ट ऑफ हैंडलिंग पर टन, कितना कॉस्ट पारादीप पोर्ट में 1 टन हैंडल करने में होता है, वो इट इज द लोएस्ट 58 rupees, 5796 rupees which is the lowest. These are the financial parameter. The port is doing very well in terms of cargo handling, in terms of financial performance. It is doing extremely well, and the remarkable journey we are passing through. And I thank all the persons who have contributed for this success.
सर और क्वेश्चन सीबीएस सर बार-बार क्यों आ रहा है पारादीप?
Let us concentrate on this. If I tell something else, that becomes happy. So let us concentrate on this. Okay. Yes. Thank all the PPP operators, stevedores, and the shipping agents. So their contribution is enormous in keeping us at number 1 slot in the second consecutive year. So last year 23-24 we were number 1, 24-25 we are number 1. And hopefully in 25-26 also we will continue the streak of maintaining number 1 status among major ports. Then I again express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Minister for Port, Shipping and Waterways, Sri Sarvananda Sonowal ji, and Honorable Minister of State, Sri Shantanu Thakur ji, for their continued guidance and support, failing which we could not have achieved this wonderful feat today. And I also thank our respected Secretary, Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterways, as well as all the officers of the ministry, Government of Orissa and Customs Department, Ministry of Railways, for their continued support and for achieving this success. Especially I thank Ministry of Railways in the last quarter of the month, and they have supported us enormously. Very significant support has been given by the Ministry of Railways, and which helped us in increasing the cargo substantially in the last quarter of the financial year. And I thank all of you for coming here and sharing the joy. This is a matter of great pride and joy for the entire state of Orissa, because the major port in Orissa has become the number 1 cargo handling port in the second consecutive financial year. Thank you.
पारादीप प्रसाद महांती ओटी लाइव। ए खबरटी को अधिक रु अधिक शेयर करंतु, ओटी लाइव को सब्सक्राइब करंतु।